Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Redbubble earnings to US PayPal, complete guide step by step clearly. To withdraw your Redbubble earnings to your US PayPal account, start by logging into your Redbubble account. Navigate to the Accounts section found at the top right corner of the home page. From the drop-down menu, click on Payouts. Here, you will see your total earnings and payment options. If you haven't added your PayPal account yet, click on the Add Payment Method button. Select PayPal from the list of available payment methods. You will then be prompted to enter your PayPal email address. Make sure to enter the email address associated with your PayPal account. Once you have entered your email, click Save to link your PayPal account to Redbubble. Next, check your earnings to ensure you meet Redbubble's minimum payout threshold. As of now, this threshold is $20 for PayPal withdrawals. If your earnings have reached this amount, you can initiate a withdrawal. Click on the Request Payout button within the Payouts section. You will see a confirmation screen showing your request for the payout. Review the details and confirm the transaction to proceed. After confirmation, your request will be processed, usually within a few days. Keep an eye on your PayPal account for the incoming funds. Once the transfer is complete, you will receive a notification from PayPal. To ensure a smooth transaction, make sure your PayPal account is fully verified. This helps to avoid any delays in receiving your earnings. And that's it. You've successfully withdrawn your Redbubble earnings to your US PayPal account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.